Hey, Sealy Clark here, going to do a quick video for you on how to broadcast to your email list, either in SendShark or Now Lifestyle, in your autoresponder. So SendShark is SendShark. If you have SendShark, it is actually the autoresponder that's in Now Lifestyle if you're a Now Lifestyle member. So it's all pretty much, it's the same. So you can either use your lead capture system or your autoresponder. I am going to show you how to use your autoresponder. So you've already signed into your Now Lifestyle back office. You're on dashboard. Now right from here, go over to your Reseller Tools. Click on that. And now on your left hand side, you'll have a drop down menu. That's what this is right here. You're going to go down to Lead Capture System. Click on that. Now you're on your lead capture system. I am not showing you that because it's virtually the same process as I'm going to show you in your autoresponder. So that's lead capture system. It's lit up in red. What you want to do is you want to move over to the left. 1, 2, or wherever. Your autoresponder tab may be closer depending on what your back office looks like, but you will always have lead capture system and autoresponder options. So just click on autoresponder. It's going to go over to another drop-down menu. Going to go down and click Message. Then scroll down to Send Broadcast. Click on that. Now, you're going to pick what campaign. You may only have one campaign, that's fine, but you're going to click on what campaign you want to send to. So I'm going to do Ultimate Six-Figure Funnel System. Now, down here, you can set up what date and time. You can do it right at the current time, or if you click on it, you can go to the day, month, time. Okay, so that's there. You can choose to do that. Now this is your autoresponder. This is where you're going to be sending your broadcast. So now it's just simply copy and paste. So I'm going to go back up, and I suggest you keep your pre-written emails in a Gmail account in the drafts section. Okay, I have a draft right here that's all done up, links in it and all that. I'm going to show you that in a minute. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to copy the subject line. You're going to paste that here. I filled that right in. You're going to go up. You're going to copy your whole email. And you're going to paste it into here. Now this is an email you have written and you've already put your links in. Now what you're going to do is these links, if you send it right now, the links would not be hyperlinked. You want them hyperlinked. So what I'm going to do is you're going to go down to the link, left click, drag. Now don't leave any spaces on either end because it'll mess it up. Okay. So now you left click, you dragged, it's highlighted in blue. You're going to right click, copy. Go up here to this button that looks like a chain. That's for a link. You're going to click on that. And now it has a text that's displaying. Just leave that alone. And then you're going to paste into here. Now those look the same, as you can tell. That's okay. Now you're going to hit New Window. Because what happens, then you're going to click OK. And once that's done, it's lit up in blue, and when they click on that in their email, it'll open in a new window so they can still find their email. So, and then you're going to go down, and you'll have another link here. However many links you have is up to you. You might have 1, 2, or 5. I suggest 1 or 2. So, copy again, click on that link, paste. Looks the same. You hit New Window, and click OK. I don't want this one in here. Get rid of this one for now. I only wanted 2 in this particular email. Now, one thing I can tell you, if you're sending the same email to somebody in your lead capture system as you are in your autoresponder, all you have to do is select all, copy, unselected again, make sure it's no blue on it, and then you can go to your lead capture system, paste it in, and it's ready to go. But for this purpose, I'm copying it right here, and then I'm going to paste it into the plain text box. Now you see that I hyperlinked it up here because this is an HTML editor that has functions like hyperlinking. This bottom one is text. Some people only have email accounts, non-Gmail accounts, and some older email providers that do not have HTML, so they're going to have to copy and paste the link manually. So as you can see, as soon as I scroll up far enough, there is the link. So they'll be able to copy and paste that link. They know darn well by now that they have to copy and paste their own links to go see it. So anyhow, you have it in here. Everything looks right. Your links are hyperlinked. Now all you're going to do, you're going to check and make sure your title's good. Yes, my title's good. Let's say I want to send it now. Yes, the date and time is correct. Okay, everything checks out. You're going to come right down to the bottom. You're going to hit add. Now once that's successfully added, it'll say successfully updated with a green bar. You're going to scroll up just a little bit, so that's a little above this little thing, because this likes to pop out and cause mischief. Okay, it just does. Alright, so then you click the X. Now down here you'll see the title of your broadcast is going to go out. It hasn't gone out yet, but it will. So your title looks good. Your date and time looks good. Your spam score looks good. So that means it'll go where it needs to. Now what you're going to want to do, these icons, you have a plus. That is the one you want to queue it. Okay? Once you hit that plus, it'll be queued and will go out. The other buttons are next to the plus sign. There is a pen that is to edit it with. Okay? This button right here. Let's say you're not sure. You want to make sure that email's perfect and check your links before you send it out to anybody on your list. That's cool. I would advise definitely do that. So this button right here is test. You can hit test and it'll send it to your email, meaning whatever email's in this system. Okay? And if you wanted to get rid of it, you messed up, you can hit X for delete. Now I'm going to review this again. There are 4 icons. And the top left one is a plus sign, and when you hover over it, it'll say Q. And once you hit that, it'll go out. Now, I'm not going to hit it here because I've already sent this email. So, but that is how you send a broadcast email into your Now Lifestyle or SendShark Autoresponder. So, if you have any questions about that, feel free to give me a shout at the contact details around this video, or whoever sent this video to you, because people often use my videos, go contact them and feel free to ask some questions. And all else fails, you can also go into the Facebook group and ask questions about it. We'd be happy to help you. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.